Lord, I thank you for the first miracle of the day, life, that I woke up, that breath still fills my lungs, that my eyes open to the light of another sunrise. I do not take these gifts for granted. Thank you for life. Thank you for health. I can rise from my bed, that my body obeys me, that I can walk, I can talk, I can think, I can move. Thank you for the silent mercies my body carries every day. Thank you for shelter. It may not be the finest palace, but it shields me from the storm. It keeps me through the night. For the roof above my head, Lord, I thank you. Thank you for food and water, the bread on my table, the cup in my hand, the strength that flows because you provide. Thank you for the little, thank you for the much, for nothing missing, nothing broken. Thank you for work. I can rise each morning and go to the hospital, that I can wear my coat, hold my pen, speak to my patients, and not just treat their bodies, but bless their souls. Thank you for the privilege to serve, to carry light into places of pain, to be a vessel of hope, to walk the corridors of healing with your wisdom in my hands. Thank you for knowledge, for books that sharpen me, for wisdom that guides me, for understanding that carries me higher. Thank you for the exams that stretch me, for lessons that shape me, for the grace to keep growing, for the chance to keep becoming. Thank you for family, for the parents who prayed me into destiny, for siblings who share my journey, for friends who light my days with laughter. Thank you for joy. Thank you for love, the love I give, the love I receive. Thank you for companionship even in lonely seasons. Thank you for my country, for the chance to serve under the banner of green and white, for the NYSC days, for the opportunity to give back, to stand as one among millions and call this land my home. Thank you for grace, grace to walk the streets in safety, grace to return home at night, grace to sit, to rest, to watch, to learn, to dream, grace in the mundane things, grace in the unseen things, grace that carries me even when I forget it is there. Thank you, Lord. Thank you for laughter that colors my days, for tears that water my prayers, for trials that better testimonies, for weakness that revealed your strength, for disappointments that pushed me into destiny, for every no that turned into a better yes. Thank you. Thank you, Lord, for success, for progress, for growth, for the fire in my bones that refuses to be quenched, for the vision in my spirit that cannot die, for the impact of my life, seen and unseen, that my days are not wasted, that my existence is not empty, that every breath I breathe carries meaning. Thank you for the oil on my head, for the mercies that keeps me, for the favor that surrounds me, for the glory that rests upon my steps. Thank you, Lord, for today. Thank you for tomorrow. Thank you for the future that shines brighter than the past. Thank you that my birthday draws near, a new chapter, a new season, another opportunity to live, to shine, to soar. So today, I lift my hands, I lift my voice, I lift my heart in thanksgiving for life, for health, for provision, for family, for love, for wisdom, for knowledge, for purpose, for destiny, for impact, for joy, for peace, for grace. Lord, all I have, all I am, all I will ever be, it is yours. And for this gift of life, for this chance to live, to breathe, to walk this earth, I will not be silent. I will not be ungrateful. I will not forget. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, forever and ever. Thank you.